everyone, Nicole here with CellBotics. I am the cell phone repair trainer, and I have with me today Tabitha. I wanted to take a chance and just introduce her to everyone out there that follows us on YouTube. Maybe you've already been to our class or you're considering coming to our class. Tabitha is a new trainer, but she is not new to CellBotics. We have been working with Tabitha for some time. She's actually on our repair team, and she also took our course over a year ago and hasn't been in continual contact with us since then. And since Chris is going into full retirement, lucky him, we are just kind of adding on some new instructors. So I wanted Tabitha to just tell a little bit about herself, so then you kind of know who you're going to be working with when you come into class. Of course, me, and then you'll have a helper with me. So Tabitha will be here giving certain parts of the class, walking around, helping you guys, okay? So Tabitha, do you want to talk a little bit about what happened when you got out of class? Like did you know what you were doing when you came here? I think you had worked on some devices, right?
I had worked on a couple of devices. I wasn't very comfortable in what I was doing, and my boss at the time had approached me asking me to step into the management role in the store. So I told him at that point that I really wanted to take the CellBotics course so I would have a more of a hands-on learning experience, be able to really know what I'm doing before I were to take on a management role. So I then came to CellBotics and I met Nicole and Chris, and I fell in love with everything that I learned here. Took that and ran with it.
Did you have any exciting things happen before you got training? Like, did you ever break anything and you're like, terrified?
Goodness. I would break home buttons left and right on phones.
No Touch ID for you anymore.
Yes, it was very bad. I was breaking them left and right, and people were replacing phones. It was terrible.
It was terrible. Okay.
So
We've all been there, though. We've all been there. Once you've been in it a while, you know everybody's been there. So it's not a big deal. It's just funny to hear those kind of stories. Okay, so so you fell in love with it, and you went back to your shop.
Went back to the shop, and then I took on the management role, and I was doing sales, repairs, accessories, device sales. Even was doing some activations and all kinds of things.
Staffing, because I know they had another person.
Staffing, we sent another person.
Training.
Yep, we sent another person here to CellBotics. They worked under me for a while, and then I got another job offer at a bigger corporation, or bigger company rather. So I went ahead and took that and started doing that for a little while, and it was just better for me to be working at home.
So what did you do there? Did you work at a store there? Was it a cell phone store?
Yes, I was another manager at another store. We did device sales, device repairs, accessory sales. Just really big on repair and sales. That's always been what I've been big on.
Very good. Okay, so then you just kind of, I know, how many kids do you got?
I have 4 kids.
4 kids. Ages?
6, 5, 3, and 2.
At the time of this video.
At the time of the video, yes. When I first was doing all this was a couple years ago. So.
But Tabitha is actually the one, I'll find that photo. No, because you've shared it recently on social media. Tabitha is actually the one that we put on our Facebook where she was holding a baby and fixing a phone. So she actually took her kids to work one day because she was just invaluable. And sometimes when you're working for a smaller shop, you know, the owner is like, just be here, I don't care. You know, we all have lives. Being a single mother, I can relate to Tabitha. Sometimes you're not technically single, but you're still, you know, work wouldn't like that.
That technical term.
Right. I have it too. Okay. So, you know, you kind of like, you got to do whatever you got to do to take your kids with you wherever you got to go. So,
she was 6 months old. I was holding her 6 months old repairing a phone.
So I'll definitely post that on here. So is there anything that you want to add? Is there anything that you've ever ran into that maybe some like a crazy story or something that's happened to you before? Or I know that I didn't plan to ask her that, so
I really don't.
Yeah. So just normal running shop stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any of my crazy questions I always called you with.
Yeah. Okay, well, so this is Tabitha. Glad you finally get to meet her, and we hope to see you in class soon. All right, bye-bye.